the population migration. So, for one example is mentioned in the episode of Jarasandha. So, when the Rajasuya about to start, Yudhishthira was asking Krishna like, see, I want to have this Rajasuya, and I want to make sure that it is success. Then which are the kings who will be formidable for me if I start a Rajasuya? Then he is saying that you have to first defeat the Magadha king Jarasandha. If you are not doing that, then it will be a problem for you, that Rajasuya may not be successful. And then Krishna and started talking about the migration, like, because Krishna is living in Dwaraka, his original abode was Mathura, that is Surasena kingdom to the south of the Kuru, and currently is identified as the Vrindavan and Mathura cities. So they are retaining that name right even now. So from there he has gone to Dwaraka. He says that is because of Jarasandha, and he is saying that because there is a powerful king, and if the king is not you can say following the dharmic tradition, there is possibility that the other tribes will get affected. Because of constant attack, people will start migrating. And he is saying like it is not just the Yadavas who has migrated from Mathura to Dwaraka, saying that the countries, the Surasena, Bhadraga, Odha and Salva and Patachava, Sustala, Mukutta, Kulinda and Kundi, these all the countries fled to west. And then the Salvayana, southern Panjalas, eastern Koslas, all of them fled to the country of Kunti. And the Matsyas, Sanyaspadas fled from their northern location to the south. And Panchalas fled into all directions. So basically what it is saying is that they typically, when somebody start creating the map of Bharatavarsha, and mostly it will resemble like the modern map of India.